Welcome back to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for car reviews, latest launches, and all things automotive. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. And stick around till the end of the video to catch every detail, because today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Fiat Punto, a car that blends compact practicality with upgraded technology and sleek European styling. Let's start under the hood. The 2026 Fiat Punto comes with a choice of refined petrol and diesel engines, including a peppy 1.0-liter turbocharged inline-3 and a more powerful 1.4-liter inline-4 variant. Depending on the configuration, it delivers horsepower ranging from 75 to 120 and torque figures that support zippy urban drives and efficient highway cruising. The engine is mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, providing a smooth and responsive drive. The Punto continues to offer a front-wheel drive setup, which contributes to its nimble handling and ease of maneuverability, especially in city traffic. The suspension has been enhanced with a McPherson strut in the front and a torsion beam at the rear, absorbing bumps effortlessly while still giving you a connected feel with the road. Steering is light yet precise, thanks to its electric power-assisted rack and pinion system. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Punto offers a more premium feel than previous generations. It seats 5 comfortably, with options for cloth or leather-trimmed upholstery, depending on the trim level. Higher trims offer features like heated front seats, automatic climate control, and ambient lighting. The dashboard is more driver-focused, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a large central infotainment screen. In terms of dimensions, the Punto retains its hatchback body style but grows slightly in size, offering more legroom and cargo space. With a longer wheelbase and a wider stance, it also looks sportier and more aggressive on the road. The exterior design showcases a bold new grille, sharp LED headlights, and alloy wheels ranging from 15 to 17 inches. Braking performance is solid with ventilated disc brakes in the front and drum or solid discs in the rear, depending on the variant. Safety is a top priority with dual front airbags, ABS, ESC, and a reinforced body structure. Optional safety upgrades include rear parking sensors, a reversing camera, and even lane departure warning on higher trims. Entertainment is handled by an upgraded infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. There's even an optional built-in GPS navigation system for added convenience. Other features that enhance everyday driving include cruise control, power windows and mirrors, remote keyless entry, and an optional electric sunroof. For those looking for something a bit extra, the 2026 Punto also offers special edition trims with chrome accents, two-tone paint jobs, and sportier interiors. Fiat has truly stepped up its game with this model, offering a smart balance of economy, design, and daily usability. Make sure you subscribe to Auto Drive for more in-depth reviews, and drop a comment if you want us to compare the Punto with its rivals. Keep watching till the end to catch all the highlights and make an informed decision on your next car. Thanks for riding with Auto Drive, where every drive matters.